A dramatic week for Kate Cox, the woman thrust into the national spotlight after suing the state of Texas, asking the court to allow her an abortion, ending a non-viable pregnancy that threatened her fertility. Just 7 days after Cox filed the lawsuit, the Texas Supreme Court has said no. Instead, Cox sought an abortion outside of Texas, according to her attorneys. In a statement today, one of Cox's attorneys at the Center for Reproductive Rights said this ruling should enrage every Texan to their core. If Kate can't get an abortion in Texas, who can? Kate's case is proof that exceptions don't work, and it's dangerous to be pregnant in any state with an abortion ban. Despite that, in its ruling, the entirely Republican Texas Supreme Court wrote a pregnant woman does not need a court order to have a life-saving abortion in Texas. Our ruling today does not block a life-saving abortion in this very case if a physician determines that one is needed under the appropriate legal standard. But it's a decision that has even some Republicans on edge. Asked about the issue in an interview with ABC News, Republican presidential candidate Nikki Haley said she felt the issue should be put to voters, not justices. I asked former U.S. Attorney General William Barr about the topic.
What do you make of that ruling, and where do you think that leads the anti-abortion movement from here on out?
I think once a reasonable rule is adopted in a state, it should be applied. I'm worried about the pro-life forces trying to force restrictions on people that they don't accept.
In the lengthy legislative year, Texas Republican lawmakers expressed little to no interest in addressing reforms to the abortion ban, despite Democrats' repeated push to do so. And even with more legal challenges on their way, the sweeping abortion ban seems here to stay.
The idea that Republicans in the state might tack a little bit and even slightly moderate their position is not coming to pass at this point.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.